So yeah, lots of cool stuff coming up. I know I sound funny, but I want to touch on something else too. Since last time I made a video, so we've lost three people, three celebrities, and I don't, I'm not somebody that makes a big deal about losing celebrities because normal everyday average Joes die every day, and nobody blinks an eye. Just because somebody was on television doesn't make them any more important. But I'm just going to give a shout out, rest in peace to that guy. I can't remember his name now. Malcolm Jamal Warner from Cosby Show. The Prince of Darkness, Ozzy, who I loved, and of course today, Mr. Hulk Hogan. So rest in peace to them. And then rest in peace to everybody, because they're no more important. They're not more important than anybody else. So if you lost somebody special in your life, rest in peace to them first and foremost. Just because somebody's on television does not make them any more special than anybody else. And I can't stress that enough. I hate celebrity worship. I hate all that BS about people thinking it's more important because a celebrity died. It's not. Every life is equal in my mind and in God's mind, and we shouldn't accentuate somebody's death just because they, maybe they knew how to hit a baseball, or maybe they were great at pretending to be somebody else on TV. That should not make your life any more important than anybody else's. Regardless if you made $1 in your life or you made $1 billion in your life, there should be no difference in a life. And I think we all need to sit down and think about that every once in a while. So anyway,